A few years ago, I was doing a warranty repair job for a local Cheney furniture company. It required that I remove a lot of decorative nails, and needless to say, many of the heads were bent. I was in a forced situation and needing to reuse them because I couldn't match the finish. So anyway, I came up with this handy little tool to straighten bent nail heads. I'll start with this hole on the bottom. I've snipped the head off a small nail, and I'll use it as a drill bit to match the shank size. I'll countersink this hole in the top in order for the epoxy to run deeper. I'll use these staples to anchor the epoxy. I'll coat the inside of a new nail with some Vaseline to keep the epoxy from sticking. I'll mix up this two-part epoxy and get it blended real good. I'll work it down into our recess here. I'm going to make sure I get it into these wire anchors. I set this block aside for a half hour or so to let this epoxy start to harden up a little bit. I'll cut away this excess. Okay, we'll set it aside overnight. I let the epoxy cure overnight, so now it's time to pop that nail out and see how it works. Alright, that came out fine. I'll set in a bent nail and gently tap it down. Got a bent nail in and a straight nail out. Tap in bent nails and pull out straight ones.